Hey guys, Dr. Novelli here to show you what happens when somebody gets in a car crash. So you're sitting at a stoplight, just thinking about nothing, and all of a sudden, boom, you get hit from behind with a 3,000-pound vehicle. Your car crumples, right? That throws your body forward and your body crumples. Your head might snap, or it might hit the steering wheel, it might hit the windshield, or you might get thrown up and you might hit the roof. When that happens, the tissues inside your spine get ripped, they get torn, they rupture, and the discs inside your spine, which are like cushions between your bones, they get ripped, they rupture, and they herniate, okay? That hits the nerves, that hits the spinal cord, it rips the muscles, and the inside of your spine gets torn apart. In 1 or 2 milliseconds, boom, that quick little movement shreds the inside of your neck. And what we do is we specialize in repairing, regenerating, and restoring the inside of your spine with a technique called spinal decompression. What that does is it gently sucks the herniated disc back inside the spine, carefully, gently, to restore the integrity to the internal structures like the discs and the muscles and the tendons inside your spine, to help prevent surgery for about 90% of people. So guys, don't forget, click below, schedule your free spinal decompression treatment today, okay? And we'll get you in to see me, and we'll figure out what we can do to get you the quality of life that you know that you need. Have a good day, guys. I'm Dr. Novelli, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.